It's visible, right?
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. So basically, the thing which we'll start from is global AML CFT. You can say CFT, CTF, both are same. Counter terrorist financing. Okay.
I lost you, Kapil.
Am
I
I
lost your
audible?
voice.
Hello?
Now it is audible.
Hello?
Now it is
Okay.
audible.
So we are starting this by discussing about global AML and CFT regulatory framework. CFT or CTF, both are same, which is
Okay.
counter terrorist financing.
Got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Key bodies for the compliance requirements.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
If you are stuck somewhere, you
I'll
can
let you
just,
know.
yeah,
Sure.
just let me know.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So the first and foremost thing, which is the three regulatory bodies,
Consent.
different
Okay.
bodies, but people get confused what FATF do, what OFAC do, what
What
FinCEN
consent?
do.
Got it.
Okay. So the work which these three particular enforcer, or let's say authority or a regulator, what
Mm-hmm.
they do
Mm-hmm.
is pretty different,
Mm-hmm.
but they belong to a particular a country like US.
Mm-hmm.
They have a control over OFAC and FinCEN.
Okay.
Okay, but the FATF is nothing. It is a like task force.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which is basically a intergovernmental like a regulator or a standard setter. So they set the standards for AML.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, can I assume FATF as a group leader for like FinCEN, FYU, and all the.
No, so FinCEN is different. So basically, the first point,
Oh,
okay, the first point is what it is.
okay.
Okay, FATF is what? It is basically the full form is Financial Action Task Force.
Okay.
Okay, it is an intergovernmental body. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which set the standard for AML CTF. Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Like
they set the
which
standard.
those standards are to be followed by all the countries.
All the countries which are
Part
part
of.
of that. Yeah,
Right.
absolutely correct.
Okay.
Now what is the scope and audience for this? Global.
Oh, got it.
India has to follow
Mm-hmm.
whatever particular committees which are involved in this committee. They need to follow their rules and regulation, whatever the standard they are imposing.
Right. Right.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Second thing, about OFAC,
Mm-hmm.
the Office of Foreign Asset Control.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they basically impose sanctions
Mm-hmm.
and authority enforcer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so basically their audience and their scope is to let's say extraterritorial reach via US. Okay, so US person, US firm, US business. Okay,
Okay.
so
So
most of them, yeah, yeah, yeah.
they will impose sanctions on other countries. Other
Yeah,
countries.
so they will make a SDN list. Okay,
What
what
is
is
this?
SDN is? It is specially designated nations. Okay,
Okay.
so basically, let's say I am US government
Okay.
and I am a part of OFAC.
Okay.
Now, from today itself, I put sanction. I am imposing sanctions
Mm-hmm.
that these particular products and these particular things should not be considered for trade or anything else.
Okay.
Let's say basically their scope is for trade. So
Mm.
I'm taking an example of trade. Okay,
Got it. Okay.
let's say, yeah. So if I'm saying that if a US business can't
Mm-hmm.
buy that
Mm.
product from this country,
Mm.
so they can't.
Okay. Okay.
So US person is prohibited to
Mm-hmm.
buy those particular products.
Oh.
US business, US firms, these basically, it is basically for US people
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Mm.
via US nexus. Okay, even if you are using the central currency, which is USD for now, correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you can't do that.
What
It
is
is
US
prohibited.
nexus?
Indian nexus, Gulf nexus, like the
Uh-huh.
territorial entity.
That
Let's say
location.
if I, yeah, location. So
Oh,
US nexus, whatever is operated by US,
okay. Maybe like
whatever is,
small
yeah,
islands which come under US,
correct.
all
So
those.
there are multiple things. There are multiple things which is not specific to country itself.
Oh, got
There
it.
are few assets which is controlled by US, which is not involved in the country.
Yeah,
Correct.
got it. Got it.
It has been controlled by US.
Mm, mm,
Got it.
mm,
Now the FinCEN. FinCEN is nothing just an FIU unit of US.
mm-hmm.
Just
Okay.
like FCA in UK, Austrac in Australia, FIU in India, the FinCEN is FIU of US.
Mm,
Okay. Their scope and audience is basically US financial institution
mm.
and certain businesses which is involved in finance.
Okay.
Okay.
So Kapil, so FinCEN has to, since US is under FATF group, FinCEN also should follow the rules imposed by
FATF.
FATF.
Absolutely correct. The
So,
link you have made is absolutely correct.
okay. So, like all the country-wide regulatory bodies like FIU, FCU, all that
Correct.
should follow FATF rule.
FATF.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay.
The
Uh,
core output is there are like set of 40 recommendations
okay.
conduct for mutual evaluation. So there are countries
Mm-hmm.
who agreed that we will follow FATF.
Mm.
Okay. And whatever mutual evaluation they want us to do, we will do that. Okay.
Who
Let's
will
say
do?
if
Who will do?
those countries who are
Under
following
FATF?
the, yeah, not under FATF, they are
They're like
following
group.
FATF. Yeah.
Okay. Group. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, whatever FATF is stating the standard,
Mm.
those countries has to follow.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
And if they don't follow, then it will be a legal action against those financial institutions.
Got it. Okay.
Right now, you will see that most of the financial institution uh, will have to like whatever SAR filing is, they
Mm-hmm.
have to report this to the FIU unit.
Mm.
Okay. They have to.
Mm.
Okay.
Uh, uh,
So there is no private player or you can say any corporate body who is involved in this. Maybe some company, so companies are doing the base work.
mm-hmm.
If you want to file the CTR and the SAR, it will be through the government body, which is FIU unit for each and every country.
Okay. No, the FIU unit is the receiver of SARS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are telling they will define what all they need for SAR, all the information they
No,
need.
no, 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 no,
Mm.
no, 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 no. Oh, so the thing is, let's say I am a corporate body.
Okay.
I'm a bank.
You're a bank. Okay.
I hired few analysts.
Mm.
I am doing the SAR filing.
Mm.
Whom do I send the SAR reports?
To FIU body.
To FIU bodies. FIU body will hire, let's say, MLROs and multiple certain designatories who will
To
see, like
evaluate that SAR.
evaluate those SARs.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
And CTRs also, the
Oh,
cash threshold report.
okay.
So in US and in Australia, there
Mm-hmm.
is a capping of $10,000.
Mm. For
Note that
CTR.
down. $10,000
Oh.
cash. So what is structuring and what is smurfing is it is a red flag in a
Mm-hmm.
transaction monitoring per se. We will do
Mm-hmm.
that when we evaluate the scenarios.
Okay.
CTR, if I'm explaining that, that's why I'm giving you a little brief. What is
Sure.
CTR?
Sure.
So let's say you have let's say $18,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. I will split it
Yeah,
into two and
we don't know that what is the source of that fund. Even if it is legitimate,
hmm.
then what is the proper like way to report is, you will go to the bank or
Mm-hmm.
go to the ATM,
Hmm.
and whatever you do, you will do the cash deposit,
Mm-hmm.
18,000 rupees,
Mm-hmm.
$18,000, sorry,
Okay.
$18,000, and you have to file the CTR, the
Oh,
cash threshold report. You have to file that I am depositing
so and
notes
so.
of $100, 20, and $50 notes are 30. How many notes you are depositing?
Mm-hmm.
You have to mention that.
Mm-hmm.
And that filing, so people avoid that filing. If
Hmm.
they
If it
don't want to
is,
disclose
they keep.
the source, then what they do is they they deposit 3,000 today,
Hmm.
7,000 tomorrow,
Hmm.
and then 6,000 day after tomorrow.
Got it. Hmm.
What they are doing, they are avoiding to report the obligation.
Hmm. Hmm.
There is an obligation to report,
Report. Hmm.
they are avoiding that. That's a red flag.
Okay.
Why you are not reporting to the
Hmm.
government? That means that particular fund is not legit.
Hmm.
You have something to hide. That's why you are not reporting.
Okay. So it is customer who has
Customer has to
to
file the CTR. Yeah,
CTR. Okay.
yeah. And then that CTR is evaluated by the FIU.
Bank. Bank.
FIU. FIU.
Customer will give it to bank, right? Or
Customer will give it to the bank, and then
they
if
will
FIU
file
wants,
to.
FIU can ask that, let's say we are working on a north region of US.
Okay.
So please, all the banks who are situated in the north region of United States,
Mm-hmm.
please provide me the CTR filings.
Got it.
Okay. It depends on FIU how and when they want it.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. So banks will just keep it with them. Once FIU asks,
Yeah. If
they will
bank finds that something is fishy,
fishy. They will
how
report.
this particular, yeah, so that the bank will send that CTR report to FIU, that please check, the team, they will ask that please check, I assume that this particular, or basis on this assessment, I find that this particular customer is having a little bit suspicious amount to deposit.
Hmm.
In the last 2 to 5 years, let's say whatever analysis they have done, for last 2 to 3 years, they haven't deposited that much money, but suddenly they have deposited it.
Got
Okay,
it.
so
Hmm.
that's a red flag for you.
Hmm.
If they have given you the description that this is my insurance money, so there is an insurance ticket, okay, the
Okay.
policy number,
Hmm.
so you will confirm that okay, this person has claimed their insurance, so the insurance company will report that yes.
Hmm.
So that is known as legal notice.
Okay.
Apart from transaction monitoring, there is another field of work which is known as legal notice. Let's say if you have done tax evasion,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you have not reported the tax, and you didn't file the tax return for the year.
Mm-hmm.
So the government body,
Mm-hmm.
let's say for US and like SEC Edgar, and India, and for Australia, it is ATO, Australian Taxation Office, different countries.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone has their own income tax offices.
Mm-hmm.
They will send a legal notice to the bank that uh, after the evaluation,
Mm-hmm.
we suspect that this particular customer is not reporting the taxes. So the salary will come, the so all the funds will come to the bank. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
You evaluate and please let us know that if the understanding is correct or not.
So it means the customer is not paying the taxes correctly.
Not paying the taxes correctly, even if they are paying the taxes correctly, they
Uh-huh.
are using certain rebates, like they're using a loophole, or they are using an illegal activity to
Oh.
like do tax evasion.
Oh.
Let's say for an example, I have receiving HRA
Mm-hmm.
in my CTC,
Mm-hmm.
whatever salary I am getting. I have my own house. I cannot claim HRA.
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
I cannot claim HRA. But
But still you will
you
show them that you are renting a house
correct.
and then
At the
you'll.
time of ITR return, what I'm doing is I'm showing that I am paying a $90,000 of rent in the
Mm.
whole year. So
So you'll
please give
escape
me
the tax
rebate.
for that.
Yeah, so please give me the rebate.
Okay.
That's tax evasion.
Ah.
That's illegal. That's not legal.
Oh,
So if
this
you are
also
doing
comes
that,
under
that's
AML. Okay.
yeah, that's a
Laundering.
part of. So it
Mm.
is part of legal notice. So basically, AML, there is transaction monitoring. There is
Okay.
let's say there are sanction screenings, adverse media
Uh-huh.
screenings. Then there
Okay.
is legal notice also. You
Uh,
don't have to like what I can say is you don't have to learn these much, but
uh,
these are things you should know.
no. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So FATF, OFAC, and FinCEN.
Consent.
Is that clear what these three bodies are doing and what they do?
So FATF remains same for the 40 countries, while
Yeah.
OFAC and FinCEN keeps
Fin-
changing for all the countries.
no,
Uh,
no, 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 no.
uh,
It not changing. It OFAC
it
and
is
FinCEN is only
for
like
US.
designated for US.
Yes,
Yes,
that's what.
that's
Like
it.
for each country, these two individual bodies will be there for each country.
Correct. Like
Okay.
for India, it is FIU, Austrac for Australia, UK for FCA.
Okay.
That's
So
it.
OFAC is in parallel to RBI.
They if RBI okay, so in India
Uh-huh.
there are multiple financial bodies also. There is SEBI, there is RBI. These are all government bodies. So we
Uh-huh.
can't say that OFAC is equivalent to RBI, but yeah, RBI can also and SEBI can also.
Oh,
Uh,
but US, it is only OFAC who
it is
can
OFAC.
impose, like if,
It is OFAC.
like we
If
keep.
they are imposing sanctions on something,
Okay, so
so the US
nowadays,
people
like
will be
Trump has been
prohibited to that.
imposing sanctions, it is all via OFAC.
Correct.
Okay, got it, Kapil. Yep,
Correct.
yep.
Yeah. So FATF, OFAC, FinCEN, it is clear?
Clear, clear.
Great. Now coming back to like what is the FATF does?
Mm.
Okay. It conducts mutual evaluation. It maintains the gray slash black list of high risk jurisdiction that we discussed yesterday.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say if I blacklist Russia,
Mm-hmm.
I will maintain that list and I will push that list to other countries.
Mm.
That for this month we have evaluated there are let's say 50 countries which
Mm-hmm.
are gray and there are let's say 20 countries which are black. They are
Okay.
blacklisted totally.
Okay.
Okay, so this list keep changing according to
Mm-hmm.
the times and like whatever time period you are living in, so
Oh,
that keep changing.
mm.
Okay, why it matters to have FATF? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
countries transpose FATF standards into local laws that your institution must follow, which is the
Mm.
financial institution.
Mm.
Okay, all the listed countries, which is black and gray listed, okay, restricted countries, high risk jurisdiction, will have to trigger an EDD. They have to.
Mm. Got it. Okay.
That we
Uh,
discussed, like some
uh,
countries are
uh,
imposing on China. So if a person belongs to China, then automatically it will be an EDD.
okay.
Okay.
Kapil, I
Yeah.
am not clear about it sets 40 recommendation is like for each, since there are 40
40
countries,
recommendation means the global standards. There are 40 recommendations
like 40
set
rules you
by
mean?
the FATF. Yeah, there are
Ru-
40 rules,
Rules.
40
Okay.
recommendations.
Okay.
These are the standards set by the FATF for the
Okay.
global AML CTF people.
Got it. And conducts mutual evaluation of countries is among all the 40 countries under
Correct.
FATF, it will just evaluate all the rules
All those
they
countries
are
commonly. Yeah,
following.
correct. So if India, okay. So if FATF believes
Mm.
that Russia is restricted, these are
Mm.
blacklisted,
Mm.
India has to follow that approach. All the
Ah,
countries which are involved in that particular committee, they have to follow that approach. They
okay.
have to.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now coming to OFAC, what does OFAC do? Who must comply to OFAC? administers and enforces US economic and trade sanctions to
Mm.
meet US foreign policy and national security.
Mm.
Okay, whatever sanctions they are putting, they are in respect to US only.
Mm.
Okay, maintains the SDN list, which is the specially designated nations.
Nations.
Okay, they can block the assets, they can restrict the trade, they can levy the civil penalties. Okay,
So
if they
SDN
find
is
out,
basically gray or that list of countries.
no, that's different. Okay,
Uh-huh.
sanctions is different.
Okay.
Let's say if my country has sanctioned Iraq,
Okay.
maybe US doesn't,
Right.
correct?
Oh, so
So it depends on
sanctions
country to country.
vary from countries to country.
Yeah. So
Mm.
if I'm a US personnel
Mm.
and let's say US government and OFAC told us that they have issued a notice that you will not trade in these particular sectors, these particular assets, let's say militant assets,
Mm.
let's say missiles.
Mm.
Okay, you will not buy Germany's missile,
Mm.
you will not buy Russia's missile, but
That is
there are sorry,
that is sanctions.
that is sanctioned.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
and your business, you have bought it,
Mm.
so the US government will penalize you.
Oh, if you go against that, you'll get a penalty.
Correct. You
Okay.
can't, na, this is
Yes.
rules.
Yes. Yes.
If you are doing your business in US jurisdiction,
Mm-hmm.
then you have to follow
Follow.
the rules and regulations.
Correct.
That's the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Who must comply with
No, no.
OFAC?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't understand SDN list. What is an SDN list?
The specially designated nationals, basically whatever countries they are referring to, whatever sanction they have imposed to those countries. Let's say SDN list is saying
No,
that
the
missiles from Russia.
SDN list and gray list are different, right?
Yeah, they are different.
I
FATF is
understand the
different.
FATF is different, yeah.
Yeah. So SDN, understand in this way. So let's say I'm preparing an SDN list
Mm-hmm.
and I have said that people from US and
Mm-hmm.
all the business owners, all the HNIs and all the bodies,
Okay.
whatever bodies they are working on,
Mm-hmm.
you will not buy anything militant heavy, which is, let's say they, if it is a let's say armory
Mm.
gun,
Mm.
people who does security services also do, but they don't come under government, correct?
Mm. Mm.
If
Correct.
if I'm running an security agency,
Mm-hmm.
I need guns,
Mm.
I
Mm.
need weapons, this is my work,
Correct.
but I am not affiliated to government body, that's
Mm.
my own corporate body.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
what the thing is, US has said that these three type of guns,
Mm.
like mix six, whatever it is, let's not name this,
Okay.
whatever these three type of guns, you will not buy from
Bye.
Russia,
Okay.
not buy from Russia.
Mm.
So if those personnel, if those bodies will
Mm.
buy those particular weapons from other country, that's okay.
Mm. Mm.
But if they have mentioned that in the list, these particular asset has been blocked,
Sanctions list, right?
correct?
Okay. Sanctions list, I'm clear. SDN
Yeah.
list is something I'm not clear.
Sanction. Okay, so SDN is whatever US is imposing sanctions on is because of this SDN list, now what they have made.
Oh, so suppose FATF gives the SDN list.
FATF
Uh,
doesn't give the SDN list.
so
FATF is
SDN,
not giving SDN. OFAC is given SDN.
OFAC. So basically,
See here.
SDN is nations, country names.
Yes. Yes.
And
Correct.
sanctions is some goods or something inside that
Related to
country
trade.
related to
Related to
trade.
trade.
Okay, okay,
So understand this way that let's say in SDN list,
okay,
I say that you will not buy crude oil from Russia.
okay.
So what I did, I restrict the trade. Okay.
So Russia
But
is under SDN list, crude oil is under sanctions list.
Correct.
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what they are saying is you cannot buy the crude oil from Russia.
Okay.
Okay. But can I buy mobile phones? Can
Yes.
I buy? So if US government and OFAC does not have written anything about the trade
Mobile
between the
phones.
electronics,
Hmm.
if they have said every kind of electronics has been banned, then you
Then I should.
can't trade. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, then you can't trade.
Hmm.
If they have mentioned that only crude oil is the thing which we will not buy from the Russia, then other thing is not
Mo-
sanctionized.
hmm. Yeah.
If full-fledged sanctions have been imposed, that it is on the country itself, that
Hmm.
whatever that country is doing, we are not
We're
buying
not
and we
doing
are
that.
not exporting also. We
Oh,
are not doing
so
export.
then SDN list will also be Russia. Sanctions
Yeah,
list, like complete Russia, we are avoiding.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
So in
Now,
that particular SDN list, the asset, the trade, whatever things it is mentioned
got it.
that what kind of sanctions we are levied on that particular country.
Country. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Who must comply with OFAC? US persons,
Hmm.
entities
Hmm.
organized under US law,
Hmm.
because it is only like based on US.
Hmm.
The rules and regulations will be followed by the US.
US.
Anyone causing a US nexus, example clearing in USD through a US bank, which is dollar. Okay.
Oh,
So if you are using that currency, then you are also considered under OFAC. Okay.
okay. So
Screening the
I am in
yeah.
India. If I am using some money transfer through US bank or
No,
some.
no, no, no. Okay. This is partial. So understand this way. Let's say you are a freelancer.
Okay.
I am doing work for a US personnel who
Okay.
is giving taxes in US. So
Oh,
whom do I employed for? That US
US.
person.
Got it.
Correct.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
I'm getting my source of fund from
Hmm.
US.
Hmm. So
So
you will
clearing,
also follow.
correct. So
Oh.
clearing in USD through a US bank. So if a
Uh,
person is giving me amount, then
okay.
via some financial institution, na,
Hmm. 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 Correct.
if I am sending someone, let's say Swift payment,
Hmm.
what I'm doing is I'm going to the Indian bank and I'm asking that my friend is living in US,
US.
and I want to give a monthly salary to him, like
Okay.
he's working for me.
Hmm.
So I need to do Swift payments. What
So
I'm
you
doing
will.
is I'm giving Indian INRs
Hmm.
in form of USD to that personal.
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm. Correct.
That is the main thing. Yeah.
Okay.
The third point is screening the SDN list and applying the 50% rule on the baseline controls. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now understand this, like screening. What is screening? Sanction screening you must have heard.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me just show you. If you can see my screen, just let
Yes.
me know.
Yeah.
Uh, Now you can see my Google Chrome.
Not yet.
Not
I,
yet.
I'm still seeing the PPT only.
Okay, wait. Let me just share my whole uh, screen then. Let me know if it is visible.
It's processing. Now
Wait,
I'm able
wait.
to see. Yeah.
Able to see?
Now I'm able
Now
to see only the
let's say
Google tab, not the PPT.
now in Notepad.
Yes. Notepad. Yes.
Okay. Let's say I'm giving you giving you some details regarding the name of the customer is, let's say whatever name. Let's say Nirav Singh.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Age uh, is 36,
Mm-hmm.
which is basically you can calculate the DOB also from now. Okay.
Okay.
If the DOB is not given, you are living in 2025, and if the person is 36 years old, then you can see, okay, so that person is born in 1989. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
how you can calculate. You can like connect the dots.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
let's say the address is let's say uh, Navi Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And whatever it is, let's say I don't know the pin code. Let's say, let me use Delhi. Okay. So let's say 202
Mm-hmm.
Uttam Nagar, uh, New Delhi,
Okay.
1100, whatever the pin code is. Let's say 76.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
This is the address I have. And let's say whatever occupation that particular
Customer is.
customer is. Let's say army uh, personnel.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is the possibilities that this particular data is incomplete?
Is incomplete.
What I know, what is the possibility? Okay, so the first possibility in the name. Let's say my customer has a middle name also, but I don't have it here. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
maybe it is Nirav M Singh,
Mm.
Nirav D Singh,
Mm.
maybe. Okay,
Mm. Yes. Yes.
but I have Nirav Singh.
Mm.
Okay, what I have,
Hello.
it means it is he is living in India, and to be specific, belongs to New Delhi.
Correct.
Okay,
Mm.
and he is an army personnel or
Correct.
was an army personnel.
Mm.
These much information I have.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
what I'll do is, what is string search? Okay, what you need to do is Nirav Singh. This
Mm-hmm.
information I have. Okay,
Okay.
you have to use double quotes every time to get a specific result. Okay,
Ah.
then you will do the addition. Let's say if you don't know the state,
Mm-hmm.
do India. But if you know the state, it is like good practice that you always mention the state, because in India maybe there are 20,000 Nirav Singh.
Ah.
Okay, but
Correct.
in New Delhi maybe there are only 10, 20. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I can filter it out, whatever
Mm-hmm.
information I have now. Okay, now plus let's say
Army.
army. Okay,
Okay.
now why I'm doing this? If
Mm-hmm.
Nirav Singh is matched, it should be matched under New
New
Delhi.
Delhi.
If he is in New Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
then whoever Nirav Singh is, if he is
Mm-hmm.
an army personnel and
Okay.
anything is related to army,
Okay.
okay, so then that particular search should be there.
Okay.
Let me see. Okay, see, Nirav Singh Dhabi. Okay,
Dhabi.
I got one match. He
Okay.
is the director, Government of India of Indian Army.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Got it.
So this could be my customer. This could be.
Mm.
Now what
Mm.
I'll do is, this is a social media.
Mm-hmm.
So not all the countries are very heavily relied on social media information. The
Okay.
reason is you can create fake accounts.
Right.
It is very easy.
Mm.
Okay. But the reliability of that particular information
Mm-hmm.
is, you have to check whether that particular information is reliable or not. Let's say if I'm clicking here,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and this particular thing has been opened. Okay,
Okay.
so I can see Nirav Singh Dhabi. Okay, there is an
Mm.
extra name here. Let me just cross back. And he is currently in Bangalore,
Mm-hmm.
and he works in AIMS. He
Mm-hmm.
has worked in AIMS. Okay,
Okay.
I wait. Okay, now. So Nirav Singh Dhabi, okay, he's
Mm-hmm.
director in Indian Army, and he has worked in ISO, ISMS, and ISO AIMS LA.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, telecommunication and satellite technologies. Okay,
Okay.
Government of India. So
Mm-hmm.
I can I'm sure that even if he is not the person who I'm looking for,
Mm-hmm.
these much informations are matching.
Okay.
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 Now the next thing is, currently he is living in
Delhi.
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 So name and location has been matched.
Matched.
The next thing I will like look into is the if he's updated the contact info. So basically, if you'll see the about profile,
Mm-hmm.
okay, let's say about this profile, joined on October, okay, profile. So some people also mention their DOB also. He
Okay.
hasn't. Okay,
Ah.
so
So you will
what
match
I
it with the information we have.
correct. So
Okay.
now I will see that okay, he was in IIS SC Bangalore. Okay,
Mm.
so
Mm.
whatever bank tool have, what I'll do is simply let me just remove this here. Okay, now
Okay.
what I'll do
So,
is
so
I'll
this you're
ask the
doing for verifying the customer, right?
correct. I'm
Okay.
doing this to verify the customer.
Verify. If he's
Okay,
real or not. I-
correct.
Like if
Same
he's real.
thing,
Mm.
same thing. This is a string search. This is an
Mm.
example of string search.
Okay, got it.
Let's say you have an information that there is a business operates in let's say Cuba. Okay, description.
Okay.
This country we know that is a drug trafficking heavy.
Okay.
Okay, criminal activity is prominent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these two information I already have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if the business operates in Cuba, most likely they deal in drug trafficking and criminal activity. Okay,
Okay.
now what I'll do is let's say randomly, there is no particular example I have for Cuba.
Okay.
Let's say XYZ Limited. Okay,
Okay.
what I'll do is I don't know about this business.
Mm.
What I need is XYZ Limited. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Plus
based on
Cuba.
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 Okay,
Okay.
you can say company description. So
Mm.
they will what they will do is XYZ Limited based on
Mm-hmm.
Cuba. What is the company description?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so now let's say if I have done this, there is no single definitive company description
Okay.
for XYZ. We already know that
Yeah. Yeah.
XYZ is not a company.
Company. Correct.
But what I can see here is there are multiple links.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's say if okay, so SEBI has written something about XYZ Limited.
Mm.
Okay, so they have used an example. But
Mm.
what we are seeing is okay, so this particular company has a trigger already. They have
Mm.
some illicit activities going on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, so on 13th Feb 2023, maybe they have done some fraudulent activity and they have been reported. Simple example, you must have heard about HSBC.
Mm.
Okay, HSBC fraud history.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody knows that evidence showed that HSBC moved billions of dollars in illicit funds. Every 3 to 5 years, HSBC has been penalized by the
Okay.
government that every time the AML checks happen,
Mm.
HSBC is very prominent to do frauds. Okay,
Okay.
this
Mm.
particular investment bank.
Mm.
So if you like heard about the news is that the drug cartels basically and the terrorist organization is financed through HSBC,
Oh.
most of them.
Okay.
Okay, so it is in the world of AML KYC. That's why I'm using this example.
Got it. Yeah.
So right now I don't know about it.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
but right now I know. Okay, so the customer has done the transaction to HSBC account.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see that what is the history of HSBC.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I got it. This is an adverse media.
Mm-hmm.
This particular information is okay. Let me just. This is an evidence.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. So that
so
is in
whenever you are,
the this is adverse media. That is like
yeah,
uh, So that's not any. That's like randomly we search it, right? It's not adverse media or anything. The string search which
No.
we did. Got it.
Yeah. So basically, if let's say you have done a string search
Okay.
and you find out that there is an adverse media, there are some uh, adverse media what that this particular customer and the company is
Uh-huh.
involved in some fraudulent activity, which
Mm-hmm.
has been reported earlier also.
Mm.
Okay.
Got it.
There in the let's say in 2008, this country under the sanctions. Now
Uh-huh.
the sanction has been removed, but
But it
initially it
was
was,
there
so
in history.
they have a history.
History of fraud. Mm.
Yeah. So these are the things you need to check. This is known as string search.
Okay.
You are doing the screening.
Mm. Mm.
Now this is a manual screening, manual
Right.
adverse media finding.
Okay.
You don't have to do like this. This,
Okay.
but you should know what this means.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
understand.
Even if you don't, if your company which you are working for does not have the tools,
Mm-hmm.
you should know how to like do the screenings and how to do the string
Okay.
searches.
So
Okay.
even I was under assumption that because there will be a defined list inside the company and we will
Hmm.
screen against it.
I am coming to that. There
Okay.
are particular databases.
Uh-huh.
I have showed you manual
Man.
screening.
So companies
If
will gather this and put in the database.
correct. So
Okay,
let's
good.
say there are US, uh, let's say you can say sanction list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And let's say there are multiple countries, X, Y, Z, anyone,
Okay.
A, B, C. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's say my particular company is involved in a particular my company is involved in a particular country.
Mm-hmm.
There are certain tools. The first of them is
Lexis
Lexis
Nexus.
Nexus.
Bridger, I saw I used
Correct,
to work on it.
correct.
Okay.
It is very prominent also.
Okay.
Fenergo,
Mm.
NR. NR
Yeah.
basically Netreveal. It is
Okay.
also a database. Okay. Then World Check,
Mm.
uh, Reverse. These are for just phone number and address verse. Okay. So
Oh, so for each there will be a
reverse. No, 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 no. So basically, you have a tool. You
okay.
will have a tool. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And let's say there are steps.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say you have completed the basic customer information.
Mm-hmm.
You have done the transaction monitoring, and now there is time for screening.
Mm.
What you will do is there is most of the companies. So I have shown you that manually how you will do it.
Got
Okay.
it. Mm.
If even if you don't have the tool,
Mm.
don't
I
worry
can do it.
about it.
Yeah, I
I
got
can do it.
got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Maybe it will take some time. It
Mm-hmm.
will a lengthy thing to do,
You need to
but
put
still I know the
more
basics.
effort. Yeah,
I
yeah.
know the basics that how a screening should done, how a adverse media search done,
Mm.
how an open search done. Okay.
Mm.
What is the particular format to do a adverse media search?
Okay.
What is the things I should remember? Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So manually, you know.
Mm.
Now you will have a tool which is integrated with all these informations.
Mm.
What you need to do is you have to hit screening.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have to hit screening each and every associated party. Let's say, let's talk about a company.
Okay.
So in a company, uh, there must be some directors
Mm.
like head director, HR director, IT director, finance director, sales director, correct?
Mm. Correct.
There are
Yeah.
multiple
Multiple
directors.
directors. Yeah.
Okay. So these directors could be a possible PEP for me.
Correct.
Agreed?
Yes.
So I will run the screening on them.
Mm.
So each and every individual, even if they are 50,
Mm-hmm.
let's say if a company has 50 directors,
Okay.
you have to run the screening on each and every individual. uh, the tool has all the databases integrated. the World Check, the LexisNexis, Fenego, all the databases
Mm-hmm.
they have a tied up. Okay,
Okay.
there is an international company called Equifax.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they have all the company and individual data, which is specifically for Australia. Okay,
Okay.
and it is a foreign company, but I have used this for Australia only. Okay,
Okay. So
so this
the
is something.
company will have the licenses for that particular tool and they
Yeah,
can
they have to purchase the license.
license for that. Okay.
That let's say if I'm running a screening, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to pay that much money, like yearly membership or a 6 month membership, quarter membership. That depends on company to
Got it.
company.
So
Okay.
these tools we will do like open string search, adverse media search, PEP search.
Yeah.
Uh,
So what they will do is,
mm,
I can just show you that. Let's say this is the individual name. Let's say
okay.
Rohit.
Okay.
Okay. And there will be a button to hit screen.
Right.
Okay. Then you have to hit it.
Mm-hmm.
What people miss, what analysts miss is, let's say there are, uh, let's say, there are 50 individuals.
Mm-hmm.
So they uh, doing in a rush. So they forget about two individuals to screen. They have done for 48 screenings
Mm.
and like forget to screen two individuals or
Mm.
two associated parties.
Okay.
That's a very heavy toll on a case.
Ah, okay.
Screening is must. If the
Mm.
case is escalated, screening is must.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. Coming back to the topic, uh, the thing which the screening part
Mm.
which we have done.
Mm.
So basically, every time you are doing something, you have to run screening. If it is you think that there is something suspicious,
Suspicious. Mm.
and I think that this should be even if there is no suspicion, but still you find that I have to run the screening for this particular associated party.
Mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
then you have to do it
So I was thinking these we will do during KYC, but uh, even
after
it,
KYC.
it, it keeps changing, so we have to do it after KYC also.
After KYC, yeah.
So even for KYC,
So there are
it keeps changing, right?
multiple steps now. So let's say you have onboarded a customer.
Hmm.
Okay, you have
Hmm.
done your due diligence.
Hmm.
Now the customer is not there for you for 1 year or 6 months.
He's
Okay,
there
so
for
they are
years,
for longer period.
longer period. So that keeps change.
Okay,
That might change. He might be
that
pep sometime
yeah,
and
that that review is known as periodic review and regular review,
okay, got it.
which is a separate term
Hmm.
inside KYC.
Hmm.
So now if let's say regarding the funds, regarding the transaction, what customer is doing, I will see that, okay, so customer is they have a relationship with our bank for
Mm-hmm.
last 2 to 3 years. And now I think he is doing something suspicious.
Hmm.
Let me do a regular review.
Regular review
Okay.
and
So for let's say there is a standard
mm-hmm.
for low risk customers
Mm-hmm.
who are low risk. The periodic review should be done in every 12 months,
Okay.
and different country have different standards. Some
Mm-hmm.
say 18 months, some say 2 years,
Mm.
whatever it is.
Mm.
On high risk customers or people who belongs to high risk jurisdiction, then they have to run a periodic review in every 6 months to 9 months.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Now about the FinCEN. FinCEN is nothing, just the FIU unit of
So,
US. There is
sorry,
nothing.
sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt. Just one thing. So, along with the periodic review, in
yeah.
case if they find any suspicious on transaction monitoring or the post
Escalate it.
KYC, they then again the search will be done, the screening will be done and added in that particular case.
Correct. So you will mention your analysis that when we have onboarded this customer, there was no pep match and there is no adverse media for that customer. But right now, while doing the regular review and the periodic review, I found something suspicious. So I am escalating this case to the next tier. Okay.
Got it. Yep.
Yeah. So FinCEN already know, like it is like a FIU unit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Basically the rule makers for AML and CTF. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the core function is the safeguard the US financial system by writing Bank Secrecy Act,
Mm-hmm.
which is a very famous act for
Mm.
US, BSA.
BSA. Okay.
So in interviews, people can ask you, so BSA is from which country? The
Mm.
Bank Secrecy Act is formed in which country?
Okay.
So you have
US.
to say that it is made by FinCEN and it is regulated in US.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are collecting financial intelligence things like CTRs and SARs, sharing with their law enforcement and bringing civil enforcement to actions.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever they will evaluate, they will do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
SAR filing, file electronic within 30 days, and initial detection will be 60 if no suspect.
Okay.
If there is no suspect, then 60.
Mm.
Okay. CTR, cash transaction reporting,
Mm-hmm.
form number 112 via Bank Secrecy Act e-filing system. So whenever you are depositing a sum of $10,000 or more than $10,000, you
Okay.
have to file this particular report.
Okay.
Form 112, you have to fill that particular form.
Mm-hmm.
So people avoid that. That's a red flag. Keep
Okay.
that in mind. Okay. uh, Beneficial ownership requirements and these things we will learn when we will do the case. If I'll
Okay.
say right now that you will just have a basic knowledge that beneficial owner is nothing who owns shares in the company. That's a
Okay.
beneficial owner.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Next thing is putting it together, a practical application. So FATF sets global standards and identify the high risk jurisdiction.
Okay.
So FATF has said that this particular countries are high risk.
Okay.
I have evaluated for you. Okay. Now the national regulators,
Mm-hmm.
okay, transform the standards into the local laws and
Lost.
regulation.
Yes.
Okay. Then the OFAC and FinCEN will come,
Mm.
enforce the rules and impose the sanctions where they have the jurisdiction.
Okay.
FATF said that Russia is high risk for me. National regulator will pass this in the parliament, and then OFAC and FinCEN will make the sanctions and the rules that
Mm-hmm.
nobody from US will buy
Sure.
anything or these particular assets from this particular countries.
Got it.
This is the chain.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
What is the risk management impact is? Let's say FATF has listed the gray country list. Expect the enhanced due diligence and heightened monitoring for counterparties in these jurisdictions. What they have said is, whatever list I'm providing you, FATF is
Okay.
saying this, whatever
Okay.
list I'm providing you, please do a enhanced due diligence and
Oh.
heightened monitoring.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Do a proper check on these countries
These
at
countries.
least.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So low risk is nothing bother. So you
Mm.
will do checks for low risk
Low risk,
also,
but
but the
enhanced
criteria will be less.
less. Yeah.
OFAC listed party. So block slash reject transaction as required within immediate escalation. Okay. Uh, File a FinCEN SAR on time. Maintain records. Tune controls.
Okay.
Even if you are filing a SAR, that doesn't mean that SAR, if you have reported a suspicious activity, that goes in vain. Let's say after 2 years or
Mm-hmm.
after 2.5 years, that particular customer again has been raised for something suspicious.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be in the tool that this particular customer has been raised 2 years back for the something suspicious activity.
Okay.
Please check that SAR, that report, that if the customer is doing the similar activity or not. That is a reference point for you to check.
So I have to go get that information and use it for.
Let's Yeah, for an example, let me just clarify with an example that let's say I am doing gambling activities.
Okay.
Okay, I am doing unusual gambling activities. My
Mm-hmm.
salary is 2000
Mm.
and I'm doing gambling for let's say 7 8000. I
Mm.
have multiple cash deposits in my account.
Mm-hmm.
So SAR has been filed against me. I stopped.
Okay.
Okay, for 1 year I didn't do it, or might be I use some other account.
Okay.
I left this account. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
after 2 years I came back and I started doing gambling activity again,
Again. Mm.
and again it is unusual.
Mm.
So if you are an analyst and
Okay.
you are doing an alert on me,
Okay.
then you will see on the tool that okay, so in 2023 also this customer has been raised for some suspicion.
Mm.
Let me check that what was the reason he was reported for.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the thing here is okay, so if he has been reported, so most likely he is doing that again, the similar activity. I
Mm.
will report that. So it will again a red flag that a
Okay.
particular customer has already been reported
Mm.
once or
Mm.
twice or
Mm.
as many times.
Got it.
Okay, so you have to check. That's a reference point for you.
Mm. 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 Mm.
So the chain of FATF, OFAC, FinCEN, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say Wolfsburg. You must have heard about Wolfsburg. Okay, Wolfsburg is nothing just a registrar base out. Okay, they have individual and company data. Let's say you must have heard about
Like
incorporation
Thomas
certificate.
Reuters or something.
Sorry,
Thomas Reuters, something like that.
uh, I don't know about Thomas Reuters. It
Just
is particularly for jurisdiction.
no, I mean, what? Okay, just forget. I'm not clear actually. This.
Okay, okay.
You can
So
move.
okay, so understand this way that let's say I am a company.
Mm.
Okay, so I have to mention my details in the registrar, business registrar.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, I will have to update my details there that my company name is this.
Mm-hmm.
I have incorporated in 2006
Okay.
and I'm trading as my business name is this,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm trading in these particular countries,
Mm-hmm.
and these are my directors, these are my beneficial owners, these much shareholding they are owning in my company, and whatever addresses I have. Okay, these
Okay.
are the basic details.
Okay.
Sorry, these are the basic details.
Okay.
So Volkswagen Group, an
Mm.
association of 12 global banks that publishes practical financial crime frameworks. Basically, whatever banking due diligence they are doing, they have the data of those companies and those individuals.
Mm. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
why
So
it matters?
this group
Yeah,
maintains that information.
correct. So
Okay.
why it matters? It is not law, but widely treated as good practice.
Okay.
It is not a law that you have to be associated with Wolfsburg Group.
Okay. Mm.
It is not, but it is a good practice. So people, let's say if you are running a trust, let's say a charitable trust,
Mm.
okay, it's not a mandatory thing for a business to do, but if you are doing it, it is a good practice, right? You are doing
Mm.
something for the benefit,
Mm.
benefit of
Social.
social groups.
Correct.
Correct?
Mm.
Yeah. So that's why your information should be available to check to perform the due diligence. Your
Okay.
information should be available.
Got.
Okay. Practical application. Let's say use Wolfsburg questions to check KYC CDD.
Mm.
So you have the Wolfsburg questionnaire. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
questions they have, like what is the name, what is the shareholding pattern, who are the directors, what is the incorporation date. So I can see that okay, so this particular data has been matched. Okay, so the customer is
So
genuine.
just like sanction screening, PEP screening, this is also another screening. Is
No,
what? No.
no. That's not a screening. That's a check.
This.
There's a difference between screening and check. So you are not going, let's say, on particular databases
Mm.
and asking for that company's data.
Oh,
It is available on business registrar.
oh,
Okay.
no, but the purpose is same, right, Kapil? Like we are
Yeah,
searching
you are
here.
performing
So,
CDD. Yeah. The
uh,
purpose is same, but the things are
how will
different.
we search here? I mean, if not screening, how will we search in this?
There are multiple business registrar, na? Okay. So let me give you an example. Can you see my screen
Yes.
here? Okay. Uh, it is different for every country. Okay. So don't get confused.
Okay.
Let's say, I think this should open. Okay, it opened. And there is also ABN Australia. I'm just showing you this for
Yeah,
an
yeah.
example.
Example.
Okay. Let's say this is a government based registrar. Okay. See government Australia. Okay.
O- Okay.
See this website, government Australia.
Okay.
Now, let's say I want to search an organization and a business name. Let's say QB Insurance.
Mm.
Okay. Let me
Okay.
just do that. And let me search here also. This is the business number also only. There are
Mm.
no full-fledged details.
Okay.
QB Insurance. Okay, let me check if it is coming here. Okay. See, QB Insurance Limited. The ACN number is this, and QB Insurance Limited with this ACN has been deregistered.
Okay.
Okay, and it has been registered again with this number.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me just say click on S. Okay. QB Insurance International Pty Limited is the full name
Mm-hmm.
and the updated name.
Okay.
The new ACN number is this. The
Okay.
ABN number, it is also associated with this. If
Okay.
I'll just copy this,
And
okay,
search there, it will.
and search here, if you'll just control F also, now you will get this. See here,
Mm. Okay.
okay, because I have searched QB Insurance.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Mm.
so you don't have to open ABN. Just click on here on the hyperlink, it will open.
Mm. Mm.
This is also okay. So now you are completing your CDD or EDD on QB Insurance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever information you have, let's say this is your bank interface. Okay. Now you have the name, incorporation certificate, IC, address.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say date of incorporation. Okay. These much information you have. Now
Okay.
what you will do is, okay, name. Let me just see. uh, the name was QB Insurance Limited, but
Mm.
right now I'm seeing it as QB Insurance International Pty Limited.
Mm.
So there must be something wrong. So now
Mm-hmm.
there is a list of former names. So I can
Mm.
see, okay, so there is a former name of QB Insurance Limited.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Mm.
name was correct. Now the name has been changed.
Changed.
Okay,
Mm. Mm.
now what I need to do is I have to check the historical details.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the name is continued from 1999 to 2002, and then from 2002 to current, this is the name.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
this is the business name company is associated with, like
Okay.
trading as.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the names.
Okay.
This is an example that I have checked the name, I have checked the incorporation number, I have checked the state, the
Mm-hmm.
country, the incorporation. Okay, so this is not the incorporation date. This is the registration date. This one,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
1886.
Okay.
Okay, and what are the former names of this company? Okay,
Mm.
and where it is registered. It is
Mm.
registered in Sydney.
Sydney.
I have clarified all the things here.
Mm. Mm.
That's done for
Whether
me.
it's matching, whether it is correct,
If
all
it is not matching, and you have seen the former details also, if it is still not matching, then you
something
have to
is
say that okay, it is not like the profile I am looking for. Okay, so this particular profile is not available online, so let me ask the client. that
Okay.
I cannot verify your information from open searches. Can you please provide me your incorporation certificate so I can verify your details? If the company doesn't give you those details, then something is fishy.
Okay. So we'll
Correct?
escalate it.
Absolutely correct.
Correct.
So these are the groups which is basically for stop the terrorist financing and to give a proper check.
Got it.
Okay.
Mm.
So there are key regulation and acts, which is US Patriot Act. Okay. It
Okay.
is the expansion of Bank Secrecy Act. Similar,
Mm-hmm.
but is the expansion.
Mm-hmm.
Then second is Bank Secrecy Act, and there is EU AML framework.
Okay.
Okay.
The first two are for US and the last one is for Europe, is it?
Basically, AMLA, which is in India is known as PMLA,
Mm-hmm.
Money Laundering Act.
Okay.
It depends on framework to framework.
Okay.
So let's say how I can explain. So let's say EU,
Mm.
okay, European Union.
Mm.
So you cannot say that it is relevant to Europe.
Mm-hmm.
If you see that option and futures
Mm-hmm.
in stock trading, we
Mm.
still follow the European ways, because initially the call option, the put option has been introduced by the Europeans, like
Oh,
the United Kingdom.
okay.
We are
Okay.
still following those.
Okay. Mm.
So don't get confused by the name EU AML framework. Most of the
Oh,
too many
even
countries
India
will
might
use the
follow this framework, is what you're telling.
yeah. They
Okay.
change the name.
Mm.
Basically, there are AMLA. It here it is PMLA.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
But the framework is same.
framework is same.
Okay. Got it.
Basically, you are penalizing who is involved in money laundering.
Mm.
That's
Mm.
it.
Okay.
We will read out all the acts also. So
Okay.
US Patriot Act is nothing just an expansion of the BSA. It is mandated customer identification program, which is SIP. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
CIP,
Okay.
customer identification program,
Program.
your KYC.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, enhanced due diligence for certain accounts and correspondent banking controls.
Mm. Mm.
Nothing like nothing tough here.
Okay. Yeah.
Bank Secrecy Act, USAML cornerstone, requiring suspicious activity reporting, currency
Mm.
transaction reporting, which is CTR and SAR, AML program elements and record keeping. You
Okay.
have to keep the record of all the CTRs and SRs.
Okay.
Okay. Then AML framework. The so leave that particular part. The AML directors harmonize CDD, PEP, risk-based approach, and beneficial ownership registers.
Mm-hmm.
We will check all the things. We will
Mm.
check the PEPs. We will check the risk-based approach, like whatever country they are being involved
Mm.
in. We will perform the
Sanctions.
CDD, EDD.
Okay.
Okay, we will see who is the beneficial ownership, who is holding the beneficial ownership in the company.
Mm-hmm.
So in 2024, the Europe adopted a
Mm.
new AML regulation, which is sixth AML directive. Initially, it
Mm.
was fourth
Fourth.
and fifth simultaneously.
So something
AML
additional
directive,
would have been added.
correct. It
Okay.
has been expanded basically
Okay.
and
Okay.
created the EU Anti-Money Laundering Authority. It is
Mm.
an authority.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
The practical impact of EU AML work is more uniform rules across the European, stronger supervision, and clarified national implementation points.
Okay.
If you are living in that country, you have to follow that particular framework.
Mm.
If you are living in India, you have to follow certain framework.
Mm. Mm.
It is available in each and every country.
Got
Okay.
it. Okay.
Yeah. Sanctions, watch list, data privacy. Basically core sanction regimes, OFAC, United Nations, let's say Al
Okay.
Qaeda, ISI, ISIL. So they are
Mm.
consolidated lists for sanctions.
Okay.
OFAC, the OFAC, they will release the SDN list, which we have discussed in the second slide.
Mm. Mm.
Then
Mm.
European Union sanctions map and consolidated financial sanction list. United Kingdom have OFSI. Okay,
So
UK
it's
consolidated
again,
list.
if I am in Europe, I will check against EU sanctions map
Yeah,
list.
yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah. So
accordingly,
if I'm if I'm in Europe,
mm,
then if US is imposing some sanctions, it is not
mm-hmm,
levied on me. If I
mm,
accept those sanctions, okay. If US is doing that, okay, let me see if I should do that or not. So I will do my due diligence, and the government will take a stand that okay, we also impose sanctions on this country.
mm.
That means that particular country is doing something wrong. That's why those countries are imposing sanctions. Okay,
That is FIU's job, right?
to imposing sanctions. No, 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 no. That's OFAC.
Sorry, that's what. No, no. I got confused. So that
Yeah,
is OFAC corresponding bodies job
yeah,
in
yeah.
Europe, right? Okay. Okay.
Absolutely correct.
It's not
Absolutely correct.
banks or analysts job.
No, 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 no.
So
You
it is a
cannot, like a
regulatory
bank
bodies.
cannot, yeah, a
Uh,
bank cannot
so
levy
we so
sanctions.
banks or our job is to just screen the sanctions
To
against.
do the analysis. You are
So
just an analyst.
So if I am working for a European bank, I will screen only against EU sanctions map, not against
Correctly.
SDN list or other lists.
Correctly.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. There are GDPR consideration for AML KYC. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a lawful basis. Like there are multiple articles, that Article 61 AC, GDPR, legal obligation, not consent, data subject rights. Article 2.3 allows restriction to prevent tipping off,
Mm.
retention, typically 5 years after a relationship end, the balance with storage limitations. Basically, they are talking about the trade.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then there is transparency. Like if you uh, provide appropriate privacy notices with lawful basis, it is good. It is a good
Oh,
practice.
okay.
International transfer, let's say Swift payments you are doing internationally. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
cross border payments, if you are doing cross
Okay.
border data sharing, privacy. Okay. Anything. So
Mm-hmm.
this should be validated under data privacy.
Uh, so even this, I mean, we should check if there is suppose any case. We should check against all these if there is any suspicion added from these. More
Absolutely.
information to if we can get.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They are restoring your protection, like data protection. GDPR means General Data Protection Regulation.
Okay.
So they want your data to be protected.
Mm, mm.
Don't share your banking code.
Correct.
Don't share your particular financial details with
Mm,
anyone else.
mm.
Okay. So these are the things you have to see.
Okay. Okay.
Anything else?
Uh,
Any query?
yeah.
Okay, let me
This
just
GDPR,
stop
right?
share. Yeah,
GDPR, how is it related to case investigation is something I'm not clear.
it is not specific to case related. It is for
Uh,
the individuals. It is for the people of the nation. That
mm-hmm.
these are the consideration you have
Okay.
to take whenever you are performing AML KYC.
Like if you can tell me an example, I mean, data
Let's say
privacy.
data privacy. Okay, let me say,
Okay.
you as an analyst, you
Okay.
have certain details which is very confidential.
Okay.
Let's say if I have a data,
Okay.
basically ethics and your moral, basically it is involved something there with ethics. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So let's say you have a company data.
Okay.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
you can see the financials.
Okay.
Okay. The
Okay.
day to day transactions.
Got it.